Class 12th History. In this video we will discuss some case study questions. These case study questions, they are going to be asked in term 1 exam as well as in term 2 exams also. So here in this video we are going to discuss few questions which are based on case study. The first question, which is Themes of Indian History Part 1, which is from the Theme of Indian History Part 1 and from Chapter 3. Chapter 4, Themes of Indian History. Class 12 History. In this video, we are going to discuss some case study questions. Case study questions, they will be asked in term 1 exam also and in term 2 exam also. So here we are going to discuss some questions which are based on case study. The first question, which is from chapter 4, page number 84, NCERT book, part 1. A prayer to Agni. Here two verses from the Rig Ved invoking Agni, the god of fire. तो यहाँ पर ऋग्वेद से 2 श्लोक दिए गए हैं जहां पर अग्नि देवता की उपासना इसमें की जा रही है. तो ये आप लोग पैरा जो केस स्टडी है इसमें क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे आपको, उसके ऑप्शंस भी होंगे और आपको उन ऑप्शंस में से करेक्ट आप ऑप्शन चूज करना होगा. सो आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस पैराग्राफ, bring, O strong one, this sacrifice of ours to the god. O wise one, as a liberal giver, bestow on us, O priest, abundant food. Agni, obtain by sacrificing mighty wealth for us. Procure, O Agni, forever to him who pays to you the gift of nourishment and wonderful cow. May a son be ours, offspring that continue our line. So verses such as these are composed in a specific kind of Sanskrit known as Vedic Sanskrit, and they were taught only to men belonging to priestly family. So first question, यहाँ पे आप देखना कि जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें जो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं वो ऑप्शंस के बारे में आपको इस पैरा से क्लू मिलेगा कि विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वैदिक संस्कृत इज कंसीडर्ड टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट. वैदिक संस्कृत को इम्पोर्टेंट माना जाता था. क्यों? इट वॉज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ कॉमन पीपल. The Vedic verses were written in Sanskrit. Third, Sanskrit was not spoken by Brahmins. And fourth one is Sanskrit was the major language of South India. यहाँ पे option 2, the Vedic verses were written in Sanskrit. So this one is the correct answer. Next question, why were sacrifices performed during the Vedic period? Option 1 for the birth of daughters, option 2 for the birth of sons, option 3 for spiritual satisfaction, and option 4 for seeking the blessings of Buddha. So here the answer is sacrifices were performed during the Vedic period for the birth of sons. Here, next question, choose the correct option. Assertion, Agni was the god of fire in the Vedic tradition. दो स्टेटमेंट दिए गए होंगे कि यहाँ पे assertion A and reason. तो एक स्टेटमेंट दिया गया होगा और रीजन बताया गया होगा. रीजन, therefore offsprings were made to Agni so that in form of smoke they would reach the gods living in the sky and invoke their blessing. A and R both are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, R is correct but A is incorrect but R is correct, and last one is R is incorrect but A is correct. यहाँ पे जो आंसर है both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next question is, consider the following statement. A. Rigved consists of hymns in praise of Agni, Indra, Som, etc. B. Many of these hymns were chanted when sacrifices were performed. Correct option, only A is correct, only B is correct, both A and B are correct, neither A nor B is correct. Here, both A and B are correct. Third is the correct option. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे देख लो आप लोग, चैप्टर 1 पेज नंबर 8, सिटेडल, प्लान ऑफ सिटेडल, मैप ऑफ सिटेडल इज बीइंग मेड. आपको इस मैप को ध्यान से पढ़ना है, देखना है और इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करना है. आइडेंटिफाई टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बिल्डिंग्स लोकेटेड इन द सिटेडल एरिया ऑफ मोहनजोदड़ो. दिस इज द सिटेडल एरिया, ये आपका सिटेडल एरिया अगर आप देखोगे, एंड दैट वन इज द लोअर टाउन. सिटेडल एरिया के दो इंपॉर्टेंट बिल्डिंग जो हैं आपका, दिस वन इज वेयर हाउस एंड दिस इज ग्रेट बाथ. ऑप्शन देखो आप लोग, ग्रेट बाथ एंड द ग्रेट टेम्पल, ग्रेट बाथ एंड द वेयर हाउस, रिजर्वर एंड द पैलेस कॉम्प्लेक्स, प्लॉ फील्ड एंड द फायर अल्टार्स. So the correct option is Great Bath and Warehouse. According to the assumption of most of the historians, the purpose of Great Bath must have been. Great Bath बनाने का purpose क्या था? Washing clothes, bathing space for women, ritual bathing, leisure bathing just like Roman baths. So the correct option is ritual bathing. Next question, choose the correct option, assertion and reason. Assertion A is Citadel was smaller but higher part of Mohenjo-daro. Reason, it is on the Citadel that we find evidence of structures that were probably used for special public purpose. तो यहाँ पे both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Second is both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, A is incorrect but R is correct. And fourth, R is incorrect but A is correct. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next question, consider the following statement. The Great Bath was a large round tank. B, there were two flights of stairs on the north and the south of the tank. So अगर हम चैप्टर पढ़ते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है Great Bath it was a rectangular tank, it was not a round tank. तो A is false. तो A जो स्टेटमेंट है गलत है. तो यहाँ पे जो है कि only B is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका case study question which is based on themes in Indian history part 2. part 2 जो बुक है मेडिवल हिस्ट्री उससे रिलेटेड ये जो मुगल पेंटिंग है which is painted entitled जहांगीर शूटिंग द फिगर ऑफ पावर्टी. इसको आप लोग ध्यान से देखोगे और इसके नीचे जो क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं उसको पढ़ना है, उसके आंसर्स देने हैं. तो यहाँ पे द आर्टिस्ट हैज एनवेलप द टारगेट इन अ डार्क क्लाउड टू सजेस्ट ए द पर्सन इज ऑफ बैड कैरेक्टर, सेकेंड द पर्सन इज अ स्लेव, थर्ड द पर्सन इज नॉट रियल, rather it is a symbol of an abstract quality, and fourth the person is a woman. So the correct option is the person is not real. ये कोई रियल इंसान नहीं था, जबकि एक ये क्वालिटी को, ठीक है, ये एक चरित्र को बताता है. चरित्र किसका? गरीबी को ये शो कर रहा है. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. बी, the animal seen in the painting underneath the feet of the emperor stand for. emperor के फीट के पास, इनके पैरों के पास जो पेंटिंग बनी हुई है ये क्या स्टैंड करती है? मतलब ये क्या सिंबलाइज करती है, यहाँ पे आपको बताना है। A realm in which both the strong and the weak exist in harmony, an ideal world where animals and humans live together. Third, both first and second, and fourth, none of above. So the correct answer is फर्स्ट। ये वो दुनिया या वो जगह थी जहां पर ताकतवर और कमजोर आपस में भाईचारे के साथ रहते थे। द चेन डिसेंडिंग फ्रॉम द हेवन इज अ सिंबल ऑफ, वी ऑल नो दैट इज अ सिंबल ऑफ जस्टिस। जस्टिस देने के लिए ये न्याय का घंटा जहांगीर ने अपने महल के बाहर लगवाया था, वो उसको शो करता है। द हेलो शोन अराउंड द फेस ऑफ द जहांगीर इंडिकेट्स, जहांगीर के फेस के चारों तरफ जो घेरा बनाया गया है वो क्या शो करता है? द मुगल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ किंगशिप, द मुगल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सुलह ए कुल, बोथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंड नन ऑफ द above. So it shows the Mughal concept of kingship. So first is the correct option. This one is study the picture and then read the following. Excerpt carefully and answer any three questions. ये आप लोग फिगर ध्यान से देखना, फिर क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ के उनके आंसर देने हैं। ये आपका, अगर आप फिगर देखोगे, फिगर के नीचे जो इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है, ये इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कल्ट से रिलेटेड, जो आपका जगन्नाथपुरी का जो टेम्पल है जगन्नाथ जी का, यहाँ पर प्रिंसिपल डीटी जो थे जगन्नाथ, who was the lord of world, a form of Vishnu. Questions आप लोग देखो. This picture is one of the most striking example of Nainar Bhakti movement, Lingayat sect, integration of cults, and Alvar Bhakti movement. So this is the example of integration of cult. Lord Jagannath is associated with Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, and all the above. He is associated with Vishnu. Choose the correct option. Assertion: Jagannath was literally the Lord of the world. Reason: Lord Vishnu was worshipped in various avatar. So here first reason is both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Second, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, A is incorrect but R is correct, and fourth, R is incorrect but A is correct. So here the correct answer is both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next question is, Lord Jagannath has been depicted here with his sister Subhadra and brother Balram. B. Lord Jagannath has been depicted here with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman. Choose the correct option. So the correct option is only A is correct, rest is false. So this one is from book 3, which will be done in term 2, and after that it will be explained. So like this, you have to prepare from book 1 and book 2 different case study question which are going to be asked in the term 1 and term 2 exam this session. Thank you so much for attending this video, and the link of this PDF is provided in the description box. From there you can download it.